Hello everyone. Hope you are fine. I am also fine. So today, right now, I am along with my elder brother. Hello.
Hey,
How are you, brother?
I am fine. How about you, dear sister?
Thank you for asking. I'm also fine.
Okay, so actually,
Brother, this is our second meet.
yes, this is our second meet, and we met in our Himadri sisters' marriage ceremony. I can
Yeah.
remember. Actually, I am really proud today to be a partner of your shoot, actually. And you know that you are very proud of our Dinaspur because when we come to any place to make videos in English, directly people ask us like, actually people ask me that where are you from Thakurgaon or Ponchagaon, but proudly I say that I am from Dinaspur and you are also from
From
Dinaspur
Dinaspur.
and English speaker, so I
Yeah.
feel proud to be a partner of your shoot.
Yeah, brother, I watch your video. Your video is really uh, great, and you are most popular right now. So uh, we are learning from your video. Really, your video is very helpful for us. And brother, uh, can you say how can we improve our English speaking?
Actually, spoken English is totally controlled by practicing. How many times you are practicing, it will be help. It will be helpful. The more you practice, then you more be fluent. Okay, so practically when you will try to speak anywhere, any places, it will be very helpful for you. And every time, please try to think everything in English. Like we are standing here, we are at Thakurgaon Bromart, and there are a lot of vehicles behind this. Beside this Bromart central field, there is a road. Some vehicles are running, are going actually. So like this, if you can think like this, it will be very helpful and you will be very fluent. So you have to
So
think always in English.
the main point is practice, practice, practice.
Practice, right?
If we want to improve our English speaking, we have to practice must.
Yes.
Okay, bye bye.
Thank you.